Hey there, Pat Logue with the Anchor Group. Hey, are you thinking of maybe selling your home in 2025 and you're trying to decide whether you should do any work or not? Well, let's look what some other people have done. In a recent survey, 39% sold their property as is. The other 61% did some renovations. And as you can see here in this graph, 11% did major renovations. So, what are the pros and cons of selling your home as is? The pros are one, you can get it on the market right away. You don't have to do anything. Two, that might save you upfront money. So, you can just be ready to sell. The other pro of selling it as is you don't have to deal with getting prices, having contractors in there, and the like. But the negatives of selling your home as is are there's a couple things. One, you might deter some buyers. You might lose some of the appeal to certain people when people preview your home online. Two, might take a little bit longer to sell. And three, you're probably not going to sell it for as much money as you could possibly get if you'd done some of those. But each circumstance is completely unique. Want to know what you should do with yours? Well, I've got some suggestions for that. We come out, take a look at your property, and point you in the right direction. And then you make the choice. Take care, everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.